Hi everyone, my name is Ashley and I wanted to discuss with you guys my major career plan and ideas. So for my future job, I want to be a rehabilitation field consultant, and basically what they do is they help injured workers get back to work, and some of the job duties include interviewing, counseling, initiating appropriate return to work plans for the injured workers. They do job site evaluations so that they can submit it to the doctor and they can measure the ability to return to work through physical and environmental requirements. They also help employees who have permanent impairment imposed by the injury or occupational disease. They evaluate your social, academic skills, how motivated you are, and will help assess what kind of services you need. So whether that's job placing or training or treatment, or you're trying to return quickly, whatever you need under those categories is what my job would be to assist them with. I also work closely with the employers, insurance companies, medical providers, attorneys, organized labor, and other governmental or private agencies. We are neutral, although we do work with all of these different companies, but the best way to get workers that are injured back to a certain type of position, we all have to work together, and so it's a collaborative type of position. The education required is I have to have a 4-year college or university degree. I also, if I didn't have a college degree, I'd have to have permanent work experience, but I am going for the graduating with a 4-year degree and a driver's license, which I fortunately do have. Okay, so how that my education aligns with my 4-year plan. Well, it aligns pretty set on. My 4-year degree is part of my 4-year plan. I also will want to get work comp certified in the future, and the classes that I'm taking for the duties I just mentioned previously, this major allows me to obtain those skills that I think will be beneficial to my position. I am majoring in psychology so that I will be able to meet my career goals, as I mentioned before. I think it also is a good degree for me to have for any other careers that I am interested, including teaching or HR or a counselor. This degree will help get me a job with one of those positions. I also really enjoy this subject. I think out of all the classes that I've taken in school, psychology is the only one I've been passionate about and had a desire to learn more. So that is why I'm majoring in psychology. Comparing the reasons to Chapter 13, I matched a lot of them, including the interest in psychology, the bachelor degree will prepare me for a job, the fact that it's a good undergraduate to prepare me for teaching or counseling, and potentially down the road I could be interested in an industrial or organizational psychologist. So basically the psychology major not only is preparing me for the job that I currently am interested in, but will also help me in the future if I decide down a different road. Anyways, I look forward to seeing all your videos.